Hi, I'm Christine. I just wanted to make a little quick update to one of my very first videos where I show how Pointel's shoe inserts for pointed-toed shoes, how they work. The other video is just a bunch of still photographs that I made a very long time ago, and it gets a lot of views, and it's very helpful and gets to the point, but it's a little crude looking, but I'm proud of that. But I just wanted to give you a little update. So if you wear pointed-toed shoes, again, this is a very modest point, but if you wear them, you know that from walking, because this part is empty, meaning it doesn't have your foot in it, when you walk, yes, your shoe will bend there and crease there, but that's natural, whether they're tennis shoes or whatever. But then when you walk further, this part, because there's nothing in it, it bends and compresses and creases and no longer looks attractive. No longer has this full shape. Now, I wish I had my old shoes that inspired me to create these, but I don't. So this is a pair of shoes which I bought, two pairs, but the first pair never bent because I had the inserts in there, and that's what's happened is I started using my prototypes in all my shoes, and so I don't have this problem on any of my shoes. So this pair I can no longer wear. I've had it in my closet new for several years, well, long time actually, and now I wear an 8.5 instead of an 8, which this is an 8, and so unfortunately it's a little tight through here and a little short. So I've been trying to bend this and make it nasty on purpose. But it takes a lot of wearings, as you might see. So let's pretend this has been worn and is really nasty and everything. So all you do is take my little insert, which is small, you see, and shaped like that, and you just push it up into your shoe with your thumb like that, and see, it's gorgeous again. And it stays up in there, see, like that, and it won't come out unless you take it out. Now, they really stay up in there, so I'm not going to get it out with my fingernail, but you can take like a really blunt edged object, like a blunt dinner knife, oh, there it goes, and take it out if you want to put it in another pair of shoes. But I prefer to keep them in the same pair of shoes because that way you can just wear your shoes and forget about it. You literally can. That's what happened with all my shoes at the prototypes. So anyway, that's how they work. Again, they prevent bending and creasing on new shoes, and if you have old shoes that are already bent and flattened here and creased, it will bring this section back out. It'll make it puffy. Now, obviously, if you have a really deep crease, the line will still be there, but it will puff everything out and smooth it out. So obviously, can't get rid of a permanent, really deep dent in there. But you can wear them on new shoes to prevent this from happening in the first place, or older shoes to help puff out that end, like I did with my first pair of shoes that inspired me to make these, and they were sitting in my closet for, I don't know, a couple years before I had some prototypes to practice with and put in those shoes, and then I got a couple more years wear out of them till they naturally worn out. So anyway, thank you for listening, and I hope to see you soon. See you soon. Ciao.